beautifully moist in the middle, really, really juicy, nice crunch. Let's give that a go. Delicious. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, supremely crispy belly pork. What I've got here is I've got some belly pork strips cut into these sizes already. We're going to boil them in some lovely flavors. We're going to take them out, dry them off, deep fry them. It is so delicious. Really, really simple. If you wanted, you could do this with a whole belly. If you wanted, just slightly different process. This is quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. What a crunch. Okay, so as you can see, I've got some belly pork here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, cut nice and thick, like that. Bay leaf, salt, star anise, and a nice big piece of ginger. Simply, we're going to drop all of that into some water. We're going to bring it to the boil and boil it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, cold water. In goes our thick cut belly pork. Couple of bay leaves in there. Nice piece of ginger. Star anise and salt. Bring it to the boil. Once it reaches boiling point, 4 minutes, then we're going to take it out. Okay, off goes the heat. What we've got there, let's take a look. Got some nice pork like that now. So what we want to do is we need to get rid of the water, all the spices, everything. We just want to end up with our meat. And what I need you to do now is pat that dry, let it cool down. Okay, so there we have it now. Our pork out of the water, cooled down, and I've patted it dry. Simply, we're going to grab some salt, and quite a lot of salt, and give it a nice treatment. Turn these over. Same again. Pat that in, rub that in, try and get some onto the skin, which is very important. Then we're going to go over to the cooker. What we're going to do, get some oil, fry this off. It's going to be wonderful. So here I've got like 2 to 3 centimeters of oil. Again, I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different. We're getting that hot. We've got our salted pork here. What we're going to do, once that reaches a nice hot temperature, that's going to go in. We're going to fry it around, flip it over a couple of times for just about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to do that in silence because it's very noisy. So the next step will be me sticking it in. Now be very careful because that can really splutter. So if you've got one of those nets, you can put it over there. But like I say, 4 to 5 minutes, just turn it over a few times. Okay, and there we go, that's 5 minutes. Turned it a few times. Just gonna get this out onto some paper towel. But you can see, look how beautiful and crisp that skin is. So out this comes, paper towel, drain off any excess fat. And you really do have some lovely pork there. And there you go. Super crispy, super tasty. Great with some sweet and sour. I'll leave a link for that, a recipe for that, a nice quick sweet and sour at the end and below. Or if you want, you can chop that and then add that into some sort of stir fry, rice, noodles or stew. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.